Hey everybody, I'm Donovan Jermaine. I am here with Sherri Meow. That's her Instagram. We're here at Salon Republic Hollywood, and she's gonna do a hair makeover on our model, Gentry. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so Sherri, what are you gonna do?
So, we are gonna do a split half and half on her, but she has previously bleached her own hair, and with the time-wise, which we do not do, yeah, that's a big no-no, but we can't bleach her hair today. So what we're gonna do is basically, I chose colors that'll work with what tones she already has in her hair. That won't mix all weird and all that good stuff. So we're really just gonna kind of cover this. We're not fixing things today. We're just covering them.
Can you show me again that very hygienic way that you open your colors?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hygienic.
Awesome.
It's vegan, it's okay.
It's true. It's damn near edible, right?
Right? Pretty much.
All right, Sherri. So we have, a literal crap ton of colors in these bowls, right? That
Yes.
you just mix.
So many.
All right, so let's start. Give me a rundown. Start from right here.
All right, so we have the Area 51,
Okay.
green, and the lava, neon orange, which I'm going to do on her sides because I just realized she has little shaved sides. Neon pink mixed with the neon pink and Cupid to kind of deepen the root. And then we have neon blue, Nirvana, and we're going to mix that with Nightfall in here. So we got a little bit of everything in here, actually.
This is crazy. What's that?
So we definitely don't need the back of this hair in the video.
Okay, Sherri, talk to me about blending.
All right, so the trick is to definitely saturate, for sure. Saturate your color in there. And what I do is especially if I'm working with a darker to lighter color, I stick the lighter color down here and I work my way up, usually, and just work it up into the darker color. Sometimes my placements change a lot when it comes to different tones of the hair. So some of these I'm bringing down farther because there's darker hair in there, like darker hair. So I want to cover those with the darker pink, and then the lighter pieces with the lighter pink.
Do you see a big difference between brands and vivid colors? Have you used a lot of different vivid colors between brands? And do you notice big changes, big differences?
Oh yeah. I have a different favorite line for everything. For my blondes, for my... that's what's really hard for me to just stick with one.
This is Sherri's what not to do or what you shouldn't do that she does.
I mix different brands together into one bowl. I'll mix Joico and Pulp Riot sometimes together. And yeah, you probably shouldn't do that.
Well, yeah, but then you're going to get a color that is completely unique.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Exactly. And I like to just kind of mix them all together and just not say anything. Like to break all the rules.
And you can name it your own color.
I might not be able to tag them in the post anymore. I don't know who to tag. I'm like, do I tag Pulp Riot or do I tag Joico? I don't know. But for the most cases, like if I'm doing a specific post or like a video, I stick with one brand.
So, okay, Sherri Meow, you got the cat thing going. If you were a cat, what cat would you be?
Oh, a Sphinx cat, all the way.
A Sphinx cat?
A hairless cat, which you think I would not be since I do hair. But I have a Sphinx cat, I have a hairless cat, and I love him more than anything.
What's his name?
His name is Binks.
Binks the Sphinx?
Binks the Sphinx. He has an Instagram. Follow him, Binks the Sphinx on Instagram.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling?
Voila, and we're done. And I'm gonna let her sit and process for about like 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll rinse her out.
What? It's all done. She finished it off. It looks amazing. Sherri, give them a little rundown. What'd you do again?
All right, so what I did was a little half and half. I did Nightfall and Nirvana throughout here, and I did Cupid and Candy throughout here, and then go like this. You have a little surprise, Area 51.
Nice. Perfect. It looks amazing. Now, how does she take care of this when she goes home? What should she do?
I recommend just washing in ice cold water, color safe shampoos, a lot of dry shampoo.
Okay.
Really, honestly, the key to lasting color is to wash your hair as least amount as possible.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, if people want to see more of your stuff, people want to book an appointment with you, where do they find you? Where should they go?
You can find me on Instagram at Sherri Meow.
Perfect. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you again.
Bye.